Hello there. Welcome to the Lattice podcast episode number 107, focusing on the latest news in the healthcare 3D printing industry in February 2026. This podcast is for educational and informational purposes only. The views expressed do not constitute engineering, medical, or financial advice. The technologies and procedures discussed may not be commercially available or suitable for every case. Always consult with a qualified professional. 3D printing is advancing rapidly in 2026, revolutionizing fields from medicine to consumer goods and even space exploration. However, alongside these breakthroughs, concerns about safety and health risks are coming to light. Let's unpack the key developments from February 2026. To start, the hidden health risks of 3D printing are gaining attention as the technology moves into homes, schools, and offices. Research from Örebro University highlights the dangers of emissions produced during the printing process. These emissions, which include ultrafine particles and volatile chemicals, can penetrate deep into the lungs and bloodstream, potentially causing inflammation, respiratory issues, and long-term health problems. Vulnerable groups like children, pregnant individuals, and people with asthma are especially at risk. The research team is working with industry partners to create safer materials, improve measurement systems, and establish guidelines to mitigate these risks. This serves as a reminder that as 3D printing becomes more accessible, safety measures must evolve to keep pace with its widespread adoption. On the consumer side, custom 3D printed eyewear is becoming a mainstream reality. Korean company Breezum is leading this charge in the US with its Breezum Eyewear Made for You app. The app scans users' faces to generate AI-designed, perfectly tailored frames. Customers can choose from various colors and lenses, and the frames are produced on demand using in-house 3D printing and laser cutting. This innovation addresses the common problem of ill-fitting glasses, offering a more personalized, comfortable solution. Meanwhile, fashion collaborations like Claraberry's 3D printed eyewear collection with Visages demonstrate that additive manufacturing is also becoming a design-forward tool, enabling bold, customized creations that elevate eyewear into the realm of high fashion. In the medical field, 3D printing is reshaping how implants are designed and manufactured. Surface finish, once considered a minor detail, is now recognized as critical to device performance. Characteristics such as roughness and porosity, as well as post-processing techniques such as polishing or coating, directly influence how implants interact with tissues, fluids, and biological systems. For example, these factors affect osseointegration, how well an implant integrates with bone, bacterial adhesion, and overall durability. This has prompted collaboration among material scientists, clinicians, and regulators to establish standards for surface characteristics in medical devices, ensuring they meet the rigorous demands of healthcare applications. Orthopedic and spinal implants, in particular, are experiencing a wave of innovation. Nivelon Medical has developed the world's first fully patient-specific, motion-preserving, metal-free spinal implant. Designed using AI and advanced ceramic 3D printing, the implant mimics bone behavior and avoids the complications associated with metal implants, such as corrosion and ion release. Meanwhile, Restore 3D has launched its Acera AFX ankle fusion cage platform, which uses 3D printed titanium implants to address complex bone defects. These implants feature porous architectures that encourage bone growth and are paired with reusable instruments designed for challenging limb salvage procedures. Additionally, Materialize is expanding its cranio-maxillofacial CMF solutions with Peak implants, which are lightweight, radiolucent, and tailored to each patient's unique skull or facial anatomy. These advancements highlight the growing role of personalization and advanced materials in improving patient outcomes. In the realm of drug delivery and diagnostics, 3D printing is accelerating progress in microfluidics and transdermal technologies. US-based companies Intrepid Automation and Rapid Fluidics are using 3D printing to enhance the production of microfluidic devices, which are essential for diagnostics, lab-on-a-chip systems, and point-of-care tools. This partnership promises faster innovation cycles and more resilient supply chains. At the University of Tokyo, researchers have developed a 3D printed backing layer for microneedle vaccine patches that improves the immune response by guiding where the vaccine solution forms needles. Other research is exploring polysaccharide-based microneedles for cancer immunotherapy, offering minimally invasive treatments that can be applied directly to the skin. Additionally, new digital microfluidic platforms are simplifying 3D cell culture workflows, enabling precise manipulation of tiny volumes for tissue modeling and drug testing. These advancements are streamlining medical research and bringing innovative treatments closer to reality. Finally, 3D printing is venturing into space. Auxilium has joined the Starlab commercial space station project to explore biomanufacturing in microgravity. The unique conditions of space, such as reduced gravity, may allow for the creation of structures and cellular organizations that are difficult or impossible to achieve on Earth. This could lead to breakthroughs in regenerative medicine and the production of high-value biomaterials. Space-based biomanufacturing represents an exciting new frontier, where the absence of gravity opens up possibilities for scientific and medical innovation that could benefit life on Earth. In summary, February 2026 highlights the transformative potential of 3D printing across various industries. From personalized eyewear and advanced medical implants to safer practices in space exploration, the technology is breaking new ground. However, the health risks associated with emissions and the need for rigorous standards serve as important reminders that innovation must be approached responsibly. As 3D printing continues to evolve, its impact on our lives is set to grow, offering both challenges and opportunities in equal measure.